Boys, we got some news for you. Today is the day. And to start off the day, I drove over $50 worth of oil and it popped under my car. How's your day going? Oh, Clutch, you ready to go see Grandma? Are you ready to go see Grandma? All right, it's time to grab some gas and breakfast. We're heading down to Austin today to check out the car that we just bought on impulse. I do want to say the Supra ended up selling for almost $22,000. And I want to say really quickly, I know that that's what they're going for right now in certain places. I've seen them sell for like 15 to 20. I've also seen twin turbo Supras sell for high 20s, low 30s. So it depends on where you buy it from. So considering it was a junkyard car, there's no way in hell I was gonna end up paying that much for it. So instead, I took the money that I would have had to spend to up the other guy that was buying the car, and I just went ahead and bought a whole entire car. Anyways, here we go. Road trip to Austin time. Yo! What's up, guys? Look at this Subi behind me, dog. A little bit of maybe some foreshadowing going on. No? Yes? Maybe? You like that sound? On a scale of 1 to excited, what are you? Wait, are you nervous? We bought a car, guys. We bought a car. I was gonna film the entering Austin sign, but you're not officially in Austin until you hit traffic. Oh. We're so close to the car. We're gonna actually be driving through Austin to go to New Braunfels because the Copart is down there. I'm excited, dude. I'm really excited. I want to see this car, and I know you guys, the OGs of this channel, are gonna be either so stoked, or you might poop yourself, or I don't know. But this is gonna be a really fun thing for us.
I have to really learn how to drive manual now.
Yep, you have no excuse.
I have no excuse.
You're gonna be taking this everywhere you go. You're gonna call me, you're gonna be like, Evan, I stalled in the middle of the city. What do I do? You're gonna be crying. I'm gonna be like, figure it out. Oh, sorry, we're listening to my favorite song in the world. I need to get to Copart today. Yay. Hurry.
Oh!
Oh, gosh. Why is it called Copart Austin if it's literally 30 minutes south of anything Austin? Okay. We gotta figure this out. I'm ready to see our car, dude.
There it is.
No, we gotta hurry. We
have 35 minutes.
We have less than 30 minutes because we have to do paperwork too. Let's e-brake turn and send it. All right, I can't believe we made it. I have to pee so incredibly bad. You guys have absolutely no idea how excited I am to show you guys. I'm really excited because this is gonna be Victoria. Victoria's inside. She had to pee probably worse than I did. This is cool because this is gonna be our first car together. I'm gonna have her do a lot of the work. We'll both be the masterminds behind the build, but I gotta find this damn car. This is nice. It's not paved like it is in Dallas, but that's okay. There it is, guys, Saturn view. Holy crap, I just freaking drove all this way. Okay, it's in the SA lot, so it's somewhere. Oh, Aston Martin, brother. That's kind of lit. SA lot. SA. It's over here somewhere. Where the hell is it? There's a lot of crazy cars out here. All right, I'll give you guys a hint. Oh, I see it. Never mind. Come on, babe. Looky. Here's your car. 5 hours in the car. Hope it was worth.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
I think this is definitely doable.
Totally.
Are you guys ready to see this? This is exciting. I told myself and I told you guys I would never do this again, and I don't know what made me go back on my word, but I changed my mind. Meet our new project 2004 Subaru WRX. We got a blah by, boys, and it's got a lot of damage. Let's go around the car. I don't have much time. I'm gonna go around the car and talk about it a little bit. So, wow, I mean, what? Paint's real bad. Oh yeah, it's gonna be we're gonna have to do a lot of stuff. I'll probably just have the whole car repainted or dipped. It doesn't matter. We're gonna get whole new suspension. Hopefully the car runs. If it doesn't, pull the motor, have some fun. I know EJ is like the back of my butt cheek. It's got some dents and stuff like that, but the biggest thing about this car, you guys are ready for this, it got mega impacted over here. So it's gonna be a hell of a restoration project. We're gonna have to change the door. It doesn't have any frame damage. We're gonna have to redo this whole quarter panel right here, which is gonna be interesting because we're gonna have to drill spot welds and stuff like that. But the car supposedly, it did run when it got here. Hey, look, there's a fortune cookie in there. We should open it up. See, this, it might be good luck. The keys are supposed, the keys are, oh, there's definitely spider webs in here. That's my biggest fear in the world. There's supposed to be keys. If there's not keys, that would be awesome. Okay, it's definitely a piece of work, dude. There's definitely no key in it. Does that mean we don't have a key? We're gonna have to get one made?
There were keys online.
It did?
Yeah.
But dude, look at this. How exciting is that? Oh, that's good. It works. Oh man, babe, you ready to learn to drive stickerino? Oh, nice. Hey, look at this. This is gonna be Victoria's learn to drive stick everywhere car. Okay, freaking cobwebs on me. That's scary. Let's see if it starts. Come on. Oh, the battery is definitely dead. Oh. Yeah, so they did say it ran whenever it got here. So what that might mean, babe, is the battery just might be dead.
Yeah.
So we should have brought a jumper with us. That would have been so sick. I just want to hear it start up.
I'm excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna have a lot of fun stuff to do in this car.
Yeah.
Wow, I mean, like, I kind of missed having a Subaru, guys. I don't know why. I'm dumb for buying one again because it's gonna break on me. It's a car that I know like the back of my hand. Like I know Subarus so well. Like you guys, I own one for 5 years, over 5 years. I think it's gonna be I think this is just gonna be a really, really fun project.
My new engine bay.
Yeah, your new engine bay. Check it out. Let's get it.
I can find
This thing definitely is a piece of work, though. Hey, look, it's definitely needs a little bit of simple
corrosion.
A little bit of corrosion on that Duralast over there. Bro, I think this thing's gonna run just fine. Oh my God, dude. Let's see, this side of the car is lit. I'm stoked about this. We are gonna try and do a full resto on this car. We're gonna try and restore it to the best we can. And then we're gonna make it a really clean build. Whenever it runs, I or we might take it rallying just to try it, just for funsies. Hey, I still have my old STI intercooler, babe. I might be able to upgrade this. Oh yeah, I still have some STI parts at my dad's house, I think. Okay, so let's go through what we're gonna do here. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have this. That's pretty messed up, but it's not a big deal because it's not like the frame.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
I'm talking about like the under part of the frame. So that's pretty bad.
The fact that this isn't bent, I'm impressed with that.
Somebody hit right here. I mean,
Yeah.
so all it's gonna have to come out. If you're gonna do this, we're probably gonna have to get a new trunk. Wouldn't mind getting an STI trunk. Okay, that's not even open. Wouldn't mind getting an STI trunk. It's already got the exhaust. What's really funny is I've actually been at Copart before, and I've actually had subscribers or people that watch my videos say like, oh, yo, that's my old car. You saw my old car in a Copart yard. And of course, I'm always like, oh, were you okay? You know, this and that. So it's always good to know that you guys are okay. So this car is nasty as hell. Somebody who liked this car owned this car. I mean, it's not like super nice. It's obviously very, very worn, but it's an 04. No cracked dash.
That's impressive.
That's really, really awesome. We have to open this up, dude. It's our...
All right.
You wanna do it?
I don't want to touch it.
They gotta know. You know they want to know what's in it. You don't have to eat the cookie.
Humor usually works at the moment of awkwardness.
Awkward. Dude, this is dope. I'm so excited for this, guys. I was really worried how bunky. I mean, it's obviously the paint is disgusting on this car. I could probably wet sand this and buff and compound the hell out of it for a while, and it would be fine. All right. Well, since we've already given them a good enough walk around, do you want to go and get the title stuff figured out?
Yeah, we need to get that done.
We've officially bought the car. We owned this car, so it's ours. Yay. I went pee and it was great because I needed it. You have no idea how bad it was. We got the title and it's officially ours, babe. We officially own another Subaru.
I'm so excited.
Did you think we would ever do this again? I feel like this is gonna, I'm excited because like I feel like a lot of people that I let down back in the day when I sold my Subaru might be pretty hyped, and so that'll be really cool. It'll be awesome to have that again. It's gonna be sick to have the Evo and the Subaru. It's gonna be really fun. So we already have pretty much an idea of what we want to do, but we'd like to hear what you guys might. We obviously are gonna fix the car first, but after it's fixed and it drives, what do you guys want to see come out of the car?
I'm so excited, but I think a lot of people are going to rate me for getting another Subaru.
It's okay. That's fair. I'm used to it.
It's going to be so much fun.
I just can't believe we did it.
I want it right now.
I can't believe we did it.
I'm so glad we did.
It's supposed to, well, so you guys are seeing this on Monday. It honestly should be delivered to us tomorrow for you guys, or the next day. So it's getting picked up here it's actually getting picked up today, and hopefully we'll get it soon. I'm so excited for it. The Hawkeyes are cool, but like the Blob Eye was the last like JDM, really cool Subaru, I think. I was saving up in high school to buy a WRX, and we ended up getting the STI instead because of a really good, you know, family friend. This is kind of like, it's cool. It's sentimental to me because like I'm going back and I'm doing something that I always wanted to do. And this is by no means my dream car, but it is going to be a really fun project, and I can't wait for you guys to see us work together on the channel. Hopefully we get it done as soon as we can, but it's going to be a pretty crazy build series. Another car to the collection. Next, we are going to, I'm going to do some sort of pop-up meet. I'm really tired, but you guys ream me for not ever coming to Austin or like Houston or the South Texas area. So now that I'm here, hopefully I'll be able to meet at least most of the people that always give me a hard time for never being down here. So, whew. Shout out to the homies who all came out here tonight. Oh, it's so awesome hanging out with you guys here and doing Subaru things. Shout out to my boy for sending it in the Nordstrom parking lot.
12 o'clock midnight.
That had to have been probably the longest day I've had in a very long time. But I hope you guys know this is the reason why I had to skip on H2OI, because whenever I bought this car, I only had 2 days to figure everything out, and so I had to cancel a trip for this. So I'm really sorry I left some of you guys hanging, but we're Subi and Evo gang now, and that's exciting. It's past midnight now, and I am incredibly tired, so that means I'm probably not going to go to bed. I'm probably going to keep working or watch TV, because I don't like, whatever. I love you guys. It was great meeting you guys and hanging out with you in Austin tonight. I'll catch you guys later. I can't wait to start this build. Peace out. May be victorious.